So I'm just setting this up real quick for GM. As you can see, I've removed the one I had before, which was Honda. Allen wrench to keep the inside component still. Shoe fly, that's actually a B. Just twist it snug, don't over tighten, and immediately re-thread the set screw. I must grab setup keys. Here they are. Always forget about these. Go away, bee. You sting me, you die. Alright. And I like to tighten the cutting bit pretty well. Now we index the tracer to the setup key, bring it down, lock it, move this to 10, raise tracer, and lock tracer in place so that tracer can move. Okay. Why are you wiggly wobbly? Go. It worked. What did I do with you? There you are. I need to paint this thing lime green or pink or orange, so I quit misplacing it. Cut the old ones. So I picked it with my Ninja Leashy and decoded, ran a fill, got one result out of 6,000. And I'm gonna see, hopefully, if this rod set is calibrated. It looks like it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and proceed to code cut. Okay. Here goes nothing. So that's the bidding. Here we go. Oh yeah, it's calibrated. So I'm going to be on space 3 on this setup because it's set up for a 10 cut system. But I'm going to go ahead and cut a depth 3. Oops. That's no bueno. It kicked that key right the F out. My bad. That is what I get for being complacent. That is what I get. That should do. Here we go. Then we're going to go to space 4, depth 4, space 3, depth 4, raise it to a 3, raise it to a 2, raise it to a 1, 1, 1, 4. And we're going to round it out. One side cut, looks like doo-doo. Damn block. One of my framing feet fell off, I see. No wonder it had some wiggle wobble. Can't speak. Here we go. One, 4, round out. Let's go test. My heart always beats so fast at this moment. Initially it can be hard to get in because it's so buried. And you are. There we are. Got our test key in the tracer side. Tip gauge it to make it happy. And now I'm going to free up the code carriages, or the code rods from the carriage. And I only have a 5-button Buick remote. I hope this damn thing works. Let's test it. Well, I'll grab a programmer first. Hold on. Sonic. To be continued. Still going. And still a security light. And still a Buick logo. But whatever. It was only 87% through, and I noticed the light went out, and then suddenly it's like, hey. ignition off, remove key. Okay. Insert new key. Ignition on. That was actually the first time I tested that key. Open and close. Open, close. I'm so shaky, I haven't eaten lunch. Be faster to EEPROM this damn thing. Radio went off. Okay. In about 45 seconds. Where did my flip key go? Oh shit. There it is, down there. Don't panic. Oop, turn ignition on. The security light is still on, but the alarm is not going off. Okay, so we got a stuck security light. I've just unplugged. So this is clearly a success. So this hangs people up a lot. I'm glad I'm filming. Second key. Security light's still on, but it starts. So what we have to do is a hard reset, or a soft reset. I forget the proper term because there's debate about it, but I will do that. Alright guys, successfully took off the positive and negative, or negative and positive. They wouldn't reach each other, so I held them in my hands and hopefully drew it out. But security light, which was once on, is now off. That's how you alleviate the stuck security light that we often come into contact with. This is the flip key now. Ignition. And again, you will see it disappear.